full. Numero 120, 3 giri. Okay, so to start we use manual gearbox. Okay, so this one is of classic to go upshift and the left one to go. Good, you can go. Now I have the mirror, so don't worry. You can look forward, and then I give you so all the stuff, the info that you need. After the green, we are on track. So get used at the maybe slippery because now of course it's raining. Second gear, okay. Let me maybe it's good. Okay, change gear. Okay, keep this line, and at the 100 meter, then we can start to move more in the ideal line and start braking. After the 100, yes, because now is coming a car. Maybe it's better not to make them in trouble. So good, nice. Now third gear, hand in the position, turning close but not over the curves because are like soap now. So avoid like
the wide lines.
Good.
And
then here you can start accelerating, change gear. Now will come a long right corner. So we manage here staying steady gas. Now you can stay right. Internal line. I give them the warning. They can overtake us. Good. And then yes, too much I think. And then okay, you can go till 200 meter, and then we start braking again. Keep the brake long. Okay, here at the end you can release the brake and going, and here of course is to avoid that course because slippery like hell. So change gear now. Keep this gear till the next two corner. Here is only soft braking, and then keep the right closest line to the white line. Okay, now you can move on the left, accelerating, change one gear before 50, some braking here, then release the brake, go apex here, not over the curves, and the same here, but tend to go close. Okay, now you can go flat, change gear, perfect. We stay more middle line for the braking. So before 200 you can start braking, downshift 1, and keep some braking till 50 meter, and from here release the brake. You can go get in the corner, then on the white line, more close, start looking at your exit and bring the car, let the car run out straight. You can go flat, go change gear, nice, and start then braking before the 200 meter signal. Downshifting. Okay. Now some braking from here. Release the brake and stay close. The first part close, and then you can go wide and take that line. That white line has a benchmark, so you start open up even more the steering wheel. Change gear. Nice. Now we are on the main straight. You can go full. Okay. Looking at the braking point is exactly where is this tower here. Okay, start braking and downshifting. Always keep the straight line. Very good. Keep braking. Downshift. Nice. Now perfect line. Close not over the curves. Here we tend to go run out, and then now you can go. Change gear. Change gear. So the same like the lap before.
Okay.
We can stay closer,
Because I
and
see
we
the
let
person.
them pass out outline. I hope with
Yes.
more gap maybe
Yes,
than the
yes.
previous. Okay, nice, good. We come back our pace, and after 150, okay, here good braking, downshift one. Here, stay more close on the left line in order to have a better exit, so like more straight as possible here. Good, you can go, change gear, maintain the gear, so now only line and some braking. Without losing too much speed, stay here, close at the white line, and then good, start, move on the white. Gas, and then 50, some braking, release the brake, let the car go inside, and then next to the outside curbs. Good, full, change gear, cut more on the left, but stay full. Keep the middle line on the first part of the braking, and then we can move diagonal more on the right. Okay, forward, and before 50, off brake, going. Manage the throttle, don't lose the white line. More close, more close, more close, exactly. Now, straight out. Change gear and full. Good. Braking after 200 meter. Keep this line. Okay, now release the brake and go stay close. Then outline. So open the steering wheel, let the car run out as fast as you can. Change the gear. One upper gear is better to have best nervous power, and then full. Good. Downshift. Okay. One more. Down. Nice. Okay. Next here to the corpse. Good. Go. Change gear. Change gear. Now we can approach there without anyone. So stay in the middle outside, and keep going if you feel good
So I got
with
it's okay.
acceleration even.
Because I feel it a little bit super.
Of course, yes. In that case, in that kind of corner, better stay out.
Yes,
You need less steering, and also is drier. Good.
ja, verder dit spien.
Yeah. Change gear. Soft brake. Release the brake. Let some speed. Here close on the white line. After this apex, go out white. Okay. Some brake. Release the brake. Let the car in. Okay, good. Downshift. Keep some braking at 50. Then release the brake and stay going inside here. Wait. Okay, good. Very good. So
We need
now,
something
yes, we can go cool down
Okay.
and come back in the pit. Yeah. Good for you.
Yes,
That's
it was
good.
a good experience.
Not easy, and the first time in Monza with this condition,
Yes. I
with
was
some.
coming from Italy. Italy here.
Oh, very good.
Okay. So follow the Porsche.
Yeah, I think now I don't know if we have done. I don't know, but yes, we park behind the Porsche.
Okay. So I was the last one. Okay.
Uh, no, no, no. But I think we have another after shift, but with some time maybe, and maybe I go fulling the car because we have half, but we need in this condition it lasts a little bit
Yes.
more. But normally after 10 day, 10 lap, 10, 15 lap, we have done with that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you too. That's it.
Okay.